Hi guys, Joe here. Now welcome to the Spalding Station Level Crossing intro with Joe Thorpe. Now this crossing has got LEDs, Yod alarm, 4 barriers, LED light set, it's too busy to cross the road, so I'll just show you from here. There's the LEDs over there. It's got another Yod alarm. And later on I'll be visiting two other level crossings called South Spalding, and I don't know what the AHB crossing is, which stands for automatic half barrier. Anyways, thanks for watching the intro and I'll see you in the next video.